माझ्या बाबांना एक सवय होती की बाबा दर लक्ष्मीपूजनला एक नोटबुक असते ना आपली, नवीन नोटबुक विकत घ्यायची, त्याच्यावर स्वस्तिक काढायचं आणि त्याची पूजा करायची. सो त्याच्यानंतर पूर्ण वर्षभर त्याच्यामध्ये ते डेली एक्सपेन्स लिहायचे. सो मला ती सवय आहे, फक्त आता एक्सेलमध्ये होतं, त्या नोटबुकमध्ये नाही होत.
I have heard a lot is the wife does not know how much your husband is earning, which is so strange. You sleep on the same bed.
I would say savings.
Yeah.
Saving.
Right from the age of 10, we had a savings account.
From the time I started earning, my dad gave me my passbook and my checkbook. It is yours now. You figure it out.
जशी ती मोठी होत गेली ना, तसे ते तिला जे यायचे ना पैसे बर्थडेचे, त्याची अमाऊंट पण वाढत गेली. सो आजी आबांनी पण तिला जास्त पैसे द्यायला सुरुवात केली, तर तो बिग अमाऊंट होती. तर त्यामुळे ते सगळे तिचे पैसे त्यावेळेपासून इन्व्हेस्टेड आहे.
That I didn't purchase a house of my own. She advised me, never leave your job.
Welcome you all. Very happy Women's Day. So just let's have a special conversation on financial freedom. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mehak Jain. I am working with Advent Wealth Solution from last 5 years with Ajay. And we are having almost 1200 plus clients and we are managing 150 CR. Ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello everybody. My name is Dilara Mehta and I retired from IDBI Bank in July 22. And since I'm at home only, but I have ways and means of spending my time. I don't feel any difference कि भी चलो job खत्म हो गया तो problem है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm pretty happy with my life just now. I was always into this financial independence and all. And women, like you said, why only 8th of March? I mean, we should be celebrating each day of our lives. Every day. And because every day is a new day. So let's welcome every day, new day, and that's how we should go ahead.
मी विनीता अनिरुद्ध मुळे IT इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये वर्किंग आहे. जसं मॅम म्हणाल्या की त्यांनी रिटायर झाल्यात, सो त्यांनी त्यांची एज कंप्लीट करून रिटायरमेंट घेतली असेल.
Yes.
बट मी आत्ताही रिटायर व्हायला रेडी आहे. कारण आपल्याला रिटायरमेंटसाठी काय लागतं की येस फायनान्शियली सिक्युअर्ड आहोत आपण.
True.
घरी सगळं वेल सेटल आहे. आता जे मुलं आहेत ती त्यांचं सेटल आहे, सगळं ओके असेल तर आपल्याला फायनान्शियली जे आपलं आहे ते मेंटेन करणं एवढंच जर काम असेल तर आपण रिटायरमेंट घ्यायला हरकत नाही. सो दॅट आपण स्वतःला वेळ देऊ शकतो पूर्णपणे. जसं की एकच दिवस काय एन्जॉय करायचा, प्रत्येक दिवस एन्जॉय केला पाहिजे. सो ते थॉट. आणि मेन मला ट्रॅव्हलिंग खूप आवडतं. सो मला त्याच्यात जास्त वेळ घालून त्याचे प्लॅन करायचे, सो ते फिरत राहायचं हे जास्त आवडेल. सो ते माझं आत्ता एक ड्रीम आहे आणि म्हणून रिटायरमेंट घ्यायची आणि ते करत राहायचं हेच आहे.
Gargi, please.
Hi,
Yes.
I'm Gargi Vershi. So I joined Mehak, I think 2 years back. I think my focus was to invest more so that I use it for whatever my plans were 5 years down the line. And currently I'm working with Global Infrastructure Partners, which was in October taken over by BlackRock. So I'm working on the management accounts side. And I've been working in this industry since 2013. As Women's Day, as we are celebrating now, but as both the ma'ams said that why one day? Yeah, I mean, everybody should celebrate themselves each day. So just let's see how our conversations go about that.
Yes. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word financial freedom?
To earn yourself also and to spend what you earn as you feel like doing it. I mean, there should be no restrictions. Nobody should be dictating terms to you. कि आप ऐसा खर्चा करो, वैसा खर्चा करो. To invest and to spend as per your own wishes. Of course, taking into consideration the family's requirements also. But you should have that freedom. That is very important.
इन माय ओपिनियन जे माझे पैसे आहेत ते मी माझ्या पद्धतीने मेंटेन करू शकते.
Correct.
दॅट इज द फायनान्शियल फ्रीडम इन माय टर्म्स.
Very short and sweet.
For me is if I want to buy something, I don't look at the price tag. That is when I will get actual financial freedom. I don't have to think thrice or 4 times that I need this money tomorrow for some other thing, not only just for my needs, but irrespective, like family needs. For a woman, now it's become very much that everybody, not everybody again, more than I think 50% of city life women work.
Right.
That's not in rural still.
ओके
But now coming up with the social media thing, there are a lot of women in the rural working on, different passions in life and all. So they are earning. So how much ever you earn, even if you earn 1,000 rupees, at least save 200 or 300 in any form, save it somewhere in any instrument. I feel that's when your money becomes wealth, it grows, and that's when you can get financial independence to make your own decision, that use your own money. For me, like I said, it's like to see something and purchase it. To have money, I know to have money, you need to first earn money.
That is, I think, satisfaction.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that which
Yeah,
comes in,
right.
right. Okay. What is the first big purchase you made with your own money?
I think a phone.
iPhone?
No, I'm not an iPhone person. I took a OnePlus, which I took with my own money.
A phone. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about you, ma'am?
मग बिग परचेस म्हणजे प्रॉपर्टी आहे जे जॉईंट आहे
Correct.
आमचं
Right.
आणि माझं स्वतःचं म्हणजे माझं स्वतःचं एक ड्रीम होतं आणि ते मी माझ्या याने गेलं रोलेक्स वॉच
Wow.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, nice. Ma'am,
I think the first thing I purchased, real expensive, was a gold bracelet.
Okay.
Although I'm not much into jewelry after that. I said, why spend on jewelry? Better spend on travel, But that was the first time I got some arrears from my job. So mommy said, come on, why don't you buy some gold for yourself? So then it was a very lovely bracelet. I still have it. And it's a lovely design and people really appreciate it. So I'm very happy. Okay, fine. I got a good thing that time.
something very legit.
Yes. And that time it was major. I'm talking of somewhere in 80s. 7,000 was a big amount that time.
Yeah.
Today it's not. But the same thing will cost it is more than 3-4 lakhs.
Yes.
Same
Of course,
bracelet.
of
Yes.
course.
Yeah.
How about you, Mehak? What did
So when I started my own job, it was just salary was just 2,000 rupees. For that time, मेरे लिए ऐसा था कि मुझे वो फास्ट ट्रैक का वॉच चाहिए था. That was trend. So somewhere just skipping on everything and taking that watch. Still I have it.
So we have to watch fans, huh?
So what money habits your parents or elders taught you still sticks with you today?
I would say savings.
Yeah.
Saving.
Right from the age of 10, we had a savings account. Okay, there was, I think, Central Bank of India then in our house. And my pocket money was 20. So mommy said, 10 rupees you should save. So every month, diligently, we would go, we learned banking and everything that time, fill in our own slips and everything. Deposit, baki tum kharcha karo. And even when I earned my first salary, I mean, my mother literally drilled it in my head, 25 to 30% you should save because she knew my spending habits. I just go on spending. I'm a very impulsive buyer. If I see something now and I just like it at sight, I'll buy it kind of, that kind.
आपण दिवाळीमध्ये लक्ष्मीपूजन करतो घरी राईट
Right.
माझ्या बाबांना एक सवय होती की बाबा दर लक्ष्मीपूजनला एक नोटबुक असते ना आपली नवीन नोटबुक विकत घ्यायची त्याच्यावर स्वस्तिक काढायचं आणि
हां.
त्याची पूजा करायची
Right.
सो त्याच्यानंतर पूर्ण वर्षभर त्याच्यामध्ये ते डेली एक्सपेन्स लिहायचे सो मला ती सवय आहे सो हां स्टील आहे फक्त आता एक्सेलमध्ये होतं त्या
Correct.
नोटबुकमध्ये नाही होत आहे
Right.
पण तीच सवय आमच्या घरात सगळ्यांना आहे म्हणजे आम्ही हजबंड माझी डॉटर सगळे आम्ही एक्सपेन्स लिहितो
Very
सो
good.
ना आम्हाला ते कळतं की आपण किती खर्च करतो मंथली ऑन तुमचं लाईक डिनर लंच वॉट एव्हर जे काही रेस्टॉरंटला आहे किंवा स्विगी झोमॅटो वॉट एव्हर आपण जे काही करतो ते त्याच्यानंतर आपण काहीही परचेस करू मग शॉपिंग म्हणायची किंवा वॉट एव्हर आपल्या डेली ग्रॉसरी आणि एव्हरीथिंग ज्या आम्ही टूरला जातो त्या प्रत्येक टूरचा आमच्याकडे स्टील एक्सपेन्स आहे ज्या
Okay.
टूर केल्यात आत्तापर्यंत
Okay.
सो दॅट हे सोपं जातं की
Right.
आपल्याला गरज किती आहे इन फ्युचर रिक्वायरमेंट कशी असू शकते आपली हे मॅनेज करायला हा एक्सपेन्सचं जे आम्ही मेंटेन केलं ते इझियर होतं हे असं मला वाटतंय सो ती
Nice.
हॅबिट मी
Right.
माझ्या वडिलांकडनं घेतली आणि स्टील आम्ही ती वापरतोय कंटिन्यू आहे माझ्याकडे
Children also are doing
Yeah,
it, so that's very
exactly.
nice.
Really nice.
Yeah.
For me, it was always my parents. I knew what my father was earning. So it was very upfront to me and my sister that this is how much we are earning, this is what we spend. So accordingly, when we always, my first paycheck or her first paycheck was always that we know that this is what it is. And if my father and mom can take care of 4 of us and still save money, why can't we do it?
Correct.
So I think that was the only thing.
Mine also, my parents were the main influencers. Only once I had gone for one Parsi conference and I met a very old lady there and she advised me, never leave your job. Whatever happens, continue with your job. And like, the way she said it, it stayed in my head.
That took you till here, like till retirement, you can.
Actually, and, sometimes due to the traveling part, I was very tempted to, kind of sit at home, leave, because traveling from here to corporate regularly was quite tiresome.
Yeah.
Job itself was fine, no problems. But, the traveling part used to tire me out lots, But I was, when we had one option for pension, I hadn't opted that time for pension. So I was a PF optee. I said, pension hota to chhod bhi deti, like, I said, let me build up a proper corpus where I can make my own pension, like,
Right.
So let me work till I can. So finally I continued till the age of 60. So it was okay.
So, what was your first experience handling money on your own, and how did you make it?
2000ला मी स्टार्ट केला आहे माझं जॉब. ओके. सो ॲट दॅट टाईम ना फर्स्ट सॅलरी म्हणजे वाह! एकदम असं वेगळं एक्साइटमेंट होती घरी पण सगळ्यांना. आणि मला बहीण आहे. सो ताई मला काहीतरी हवं आहे. तू फर्स्ट सॅलरी तुझी, सो मला काहीतरी हवंच आहे तुझ्याकडनं. आई-बाबांना पण एकदम येस, येस. आता तुझं लाइक यू आर अर्निंग नाऊ, सो आम्हाला काहीतरी. मग तो फर्स्ट सॅलरी त्याच्यामध्येच आहे. देन ॲक्चुअली त्यावेळेला पण इन्व्हेस्टमेंट हा थॉट नव्हता ॲक्चुअली. की सॅलरी आली, फर्स्ट एक्सपेन्स केला, फर्स्ट सॅलरी ओके. देन बाबांकडे सॅलरी द्यायची, दॅट्स इट. आफ्टर मॅरेज पण आय थिंक आम्ही इन्व्हेस्टमेंटचा दोघांनी एवढा विचार नव्हता केला. बट मुलगी झाली मला. त्याच्यानंतर मग आता थोडासा विचार केला की नाही आता आपण इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केल्या पाहिजेत. म्हणजे नुसतं सेव्हिंग, बँकेत सेव्हिंग करून, FD करून दॅट इज नॉट द ॲक्चुअल वे. आपल्याला थोडं जास्त लागणार आहेत. लाईक
One step.
वन स्टेप थोडं वेगळं, म्हणजे वेगळ्या प्रकारे काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे. सो त्यावेळेला मात्र आम्ही विचार केला आणि मग आमची भेट अजयशी झालेली आहे. म्हणजे आम्ही 2008ला अजयला भेटलो आहे. आणि त्यावेळेपर्यंत तेव्हापासून आमच्या ज्या इन्व्हेस्टमेंट टोटल ज्या काही आमच्या इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आहेत पूर्ण अजय थ्रूच आहेत. आणि त्याच्याच गायडन्सनी आमचं पूर्ण इन्व्हेस्टमेंट स्टील चालू आहेत.
Till today. Yes.
My first salaried job was different, but I started earning at the age of 16 only after I passed out my 10th. So my first project was to create from history chapters PPTs for classes.
Okay.
And history
Okay.
is not my good subject.
Okay.
So I got 5,000 for it, and you're
Oh,
16 years
wow.
old. So
That's
it's
good.
like, oh my God, you're rich.
They paid you for it. That's very nice.
Yeah. That money, I just spent it all. I didn't save it because it was too much of excitement, and you were very naive at 16. I bought things for myself that I wanted because we always, like, I think most of Indian families have, if you have sisters in line,
Right.
so clothes passed down. So I'm like, no, I want something for me. Like, I
New.
want something new. So I spent on clothes. Later on, when I started interning, I used to get like 4,500. That was my per month internship. From that, I saved like 1,000 in RD because there was RD or FD.
Correct.
Correct.
This was not something that, investing in mutual
Only two
funds
options were there.
or options or anything.
But then here, as you said कि 5,000 मिला वो टाइम पे वो. But then mom dad काय बोलले नाही का?
No. So that's also a good thing. So from the time I started earning, my dad gave me my passbook and my checkbook. It is yours now. You figure it out.
Okay.
And I stopped taking money from home.
Correct.
So he's like, do whatever it is. He didn't even check my passbook, where I'm spending the money, what I am doing. So he's like, oh, it's your money. If you get broke, you are broke for that month. We will not. I never asked, and I don't think they would have helped me also. Because that's how you learn, right?
My first salary, I think, was somewhere around 1,100, I think so. Yes. And when I came home, like, first I offered it to my mom. She said, no, it's yours to keep and yours to spend and save whatever. I don't really remember whether I saved much of that. But then I think I spent it on the family. And then my grandmother, my maternal grandmother, used to stay with us. So I gave her some portion of that. She was very happy that somebody is giving me some, I'm getting my own pocket money, kind of like, My grandmother's old. My mother was a housewife, and my dad used to, he was an engineer, and he used to work for Centurion. And we knew, like, we knew our limited expenses, of course, but they always pampered us. And we had a good childhood and all. Never, like, wanted much, like, But then I think we were satisfied a lot that time, We never hankered for more things. Not that maybe our exposure was less, possibly, that time TV and agar kuch kam tha, that's why, possibly. But whatever. I mean, that was a nice time. And my father was always into stocks and all, So we would have that atmosphere at home of seeing he's investing in stocks. Although, and he tried to teach me and everything, but I was not a very great learner कर रहे हैं ना डैडी, करने दो ना, kind of, that was the attitude. So only after his demise much later, then I had to learn the ropes and all, then everything. And he tried to teach me balance sheet reading, everything, like, although we had to do that in office also sometimes. So, and I would say, kaha bore karte ho, bahut zyada bata rahe ho. One small question and ask him, he'll give me one big detailed reply, I'll get, like, I mean, he was a great one at financial thing, And then he only was into even mutual funds later in life. So we had that atmosphere at home, like, and we had that financial independence. We were left to, you can do what you want with your salary, that kind.
Means your parents had only started with the mutual fund stocks.
Yes. My parents started. So I had that
So-
culture at home.
Okay, so which year was that? Do you remember it?
Right early in life, maybe 80s, 90s, 80s.
80s?
80s. I think he started investing maybe in 70s, 80s.
Okay.
So I started earning in 84. So I had seen him investing right from then only. Small things. I mean, not much, but whatever he could. Because he knew I have to build a future for my children, whatever. I have a brother. So that was it. Like, and we had to have a house of our own because we were living in quarters, company quarters. So we had to save for that also, like, Because it was a company, and if you asked for a PF loan, they would give for sister's marriage. Like, but they would not give for buying a house. It was like that.
Looking back, what's one money lesson which you wish you had learned earlier?
Maybe I think investing in SIPs, I've done like, we used to invest like, like say chunks, कितना amount हो गया, FD में किया, इतना amount collect किया है, चलो अभी इसको invest करो, kind of. But SIPs and all I started, I think, much later. And then I felt, later on when I felt how the way money grows, maybe I could have started a little earlier. I had one SIP, when I met Ajay before that. But then he really got me into many SIPs, like, okay, itna sara karo. And it has really helped me build up the financial, corpus that way.
SIP, yes, there is option, good option. पण वन टाईम इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ज्या करतो आपण, जेव्हा तुमच्याकडे फंड्स आहेत, यू हॅव फंड्स रेडी, सो बँकेत जस्ट नुसतं आपण पार्क करण्यापेक्षा आपण फंड्स म्हणजे आपण वन टाईम इन्व्हेस्टमेंट कराव्या. सो ॲक्च्युली आमची फ्रिक्वेन्सी ती जास्त आहे. म्हणजे SIP, येस, आम्ही एक आमचं लाईक फिक्स आहे की ही सॅलरीच्या एवढं पर्सेंट हे मंथली जायलाच हवं थ्रू SIP. बट जेव्हा लाईक सर्टन 6 months 7 monthमध्ये तुमच्याकडे एक अमाऊंट रेडी होते, सो आम्ही आमची तशी फ्रिक्वेन्सी की आम्ही वन टाईम इन्व्हेस्टमेंट त्यावेळेला करत राहतो, जे काही फंड्स अवेलेबल ते. आणि लाईक आता 5-6 years बॅक्सपासून स्टॉकमध्ये वगैरे पण आम्ही ते करतो. म्हणजे ते पण एक थोडंसं एक वेगळा सेगमेंट म्हणून त्याच्याकडे बघून त्याच्यात पण इन्व्हेस्टमेंट अशाही चालू केलेल्या आहेत. आणि थोडंसं असं मला स्वतःचं असं सजेशन वाटतं, आणि ते एक्सपेरिमेंट आम्ही केलं आहे की लाईक जेव्हा अर्ली एज आहे, लाईक आता गार्गी करते तसं, की आत्ता माझ्या मते इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करून तुमचं कॉर्पस रेडी करणं हे थोडंसं एक टार्गेट ठेवून केलं पाहिजे.
I should have invested more. Like, I didn't lose out so many years. It's like 2018 I started getting a proper salary. Until then I was an intern or something. So I think I could have started saving more then, and maybe अजूनपर्यंत आता डेव्हलप झालं असतं.
But still, you have started early investment, I think.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
You're happy with the way it is going on?
I am actually happy, and that's what I said. I could have done more in those 2 years that I was earning, and also I think during lockdown, I could have invested a bit more than, because there lots of things were. I mean, there was no pay cut where I was working, so I was getting my entire. There was no travel, nothing. I was at home.
There were very few expenses.
Yeah, not
Very
many expensive, but then I think that time the major expense that we did was purchase a house. So I could have added more corpus in purchasing a house and taken a lesser loan. That could be a thing, like.
गार्गी, आधी एक 2018-19 ला काहीतरी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट तू टाकली होती,
Oh,
अँड विच यू हॅड कम्प्लिटली लॉस्ट ऑन इट.
forgotten. Yeah.
बिलकुल तुझ्या लक्षातच नव्हतं.
नाही.
वेअरएज वी जस्ट फाउंड इट आउट
Right.
आता लेटेस्ट October 24 मध्ये.
Oh.
अँड व्हॉट वॉज युअर एक्सपिरियन्स बिहाइंड इट?
Like, when I started in 2018, so I invested on my own. Like,
Yeah.
I went to different
Some
yeah,
random funds. it was
random
actually.
funds, and I invested in them. And then cut to 2021 when I met them, we transferred the SIP monthly amounts to different funds. Okay. And according to my thought, I thought she's pulled the entire amount from there because there was a lock-in period of 3 years, and I thought now it's fine. So you can pull. So I thought the fund is transferred, and that's what I thought was my corpus then. And then she just randomly told me during my wedding,
Just
nearing the
before the
wedding.
October, I
Yeah.
think, yes.
She's like, let's just check with your PAN that if you have. And I was like, nahi hai, kuch nahi hai. Nothing is there. You've taken everything. I don't have anything more. So, and then this girl suddenly is calling me continuously, and I'm working, I'm busy. And I'm like, I'll talk to you later. She's like, no, just pick my call. So I'm like, yeah, what? And then she sent me the PDF. So I think I would have invested some 6 lakhs or 8.
She had invested
It
it
grew too.
before the COVID.
Yeah,
Okay.
before
And the
2018.
amount, what I saw, I was just zooming and checking her amount. Like, ही हादरणार आहे आता अमाउंट बघून. आणि नंतर मग जेव्हा आई वॉज सो लाइक यार ये मैसेज नहीं था, फिर तो मैसेज देखती है, क्यों नहीं देख रही है, तो उसको पिंग करके रखा. मैंने ठीक है. तो फिर बाद में when she saw and you can
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Then I called her and I'm like, what? Is this mine? She's like, yeah, this is yours. And I'm like, okay, now I can spend more money on my wedding.
It was like a bonanza for you.
Yes.
And the amount for 178 lakhs was
15
it's almost 15.
lakhs.
तुला माहिती होतं की एवढे पैसे आहेत इथे?
नाही, आयडियली जेव्हा आपण बोलून डिस्कस करून जेव्हा ट्रान्सफर केले तेव्हा मला वाटलं की आपण प्रिन्सिपल अमाऊंट पण ट्रान्सफर केली आहे.
राईट.
सो अँड आय लिटरली टू बी ऑनेस्ट आय वॉज व्हेरी ऑफ दैट the fund app. I was very of this. I'm like, हाँ ठीक है इतना है and अभी इतना खर्चा कर सकते हैं before the wedding and all.
करेक्ट.
And then when you sent me that PDF, I'm like, firstly, so my question was, is this mine? I'm zooming in to see if it is really my name. And then first thing I went and I told my parents कि भाई अभी और पैसा आ गया, we can spend more. So they are like, त्याच्यात पण मम्मीच नको राहू दे,
बट
invested.
Typical mother.
Yeah. So-
आता ह्याच्यामध्ये जी अमाऊंट होती दॅट
Hmm.
वॉज 1,78,000.
Yeah, and
Okay?
in that also, to be honest, 2018 to 2019, there were some months that I didn't even invest.
Yes.
Pause केलेली investment.
करेक्ट. लास्टला ती पॉझच होती
हो,
ऍक्च्युली.
yeah.
करेक्ट. सो वेन वी फाउंड इट द अमाऊंट वॉज
15
15
lakhs.
lakhs.
Yeah.
Right? 15 lakhs.
Yeah. I mean, it was a wonderful thing to see कि my money made money.
वन थॉट इन माय माइंड की ही मुलगी मला भेटली 21 मध्ये
हो.
आणि डिसेंबरला हिला लग्न करायचंय अँड आय हॅव सीन हर स्ट्रगलिंग एवरी टाइम. काही छोटा मोटा कॉर्पोरेट जो भी इसके पास आ रहा है ये बंदी फोन करती है, महक इतना इन्वेस्ट करना है, महक
हाँ.
इतना इन्वेस्ट करना है. सो शी हैज़ रियली कम अप विद दैट 2 years आई कैन से. एंड देन फिर एक नेक्स्ट थॉट मुझे ऐसा आया कि ये बंदी ने जितना इन्वेस्ट किया लास्ट 2 years में, ये बंदी ने कुछ चीज़ भूल गई है एंड शी हैज अचीव्ड देयर ऑल्सो. दॅट वॉज माय थॉट.
Yeah.
सो ह्याच्यामध्ये एक आपल्याला लर्निंग हे भेटतंय की जेवढं लॉंग टर्म आपण इन्व्हेस्टमेंट्स ठेवू त्याला खूप चांगलं कॉर्पोरेट रेडी होत. इट इज स्टे इन्व्हेस्टेड.
So invest and forget.
करेक्ट. ओके मॅम, आता तुमच्याकडे जर बघितलं की
हं.
ट्रेडिशनल वे आधी तुम्ही ते इन्व्हेस्टमेंट्स करायचे अँड वेन यू शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम ट्रेडिशनल टू द न्यू एरा म्युच्युअल फंड्स,
ओके.
हाऊ इट वेंट?
मला मुलगी झाली त्याच्यानंतर ॲक्च्युली आम्ही FD मध्येच इन्व्हेस्ट करत होतो. तेव्हाही आम्ही FD हा पॅटर्नच फॉलो करत होतो की इन्व्हेस्टमेंटचा हाच पॅटर्न आहे करून. बट हळूहळू नंतर ठरवलं की नाही म्युच्युअल फंड्समध्ये वगैरे केलं पाहिजे. तर म्युच्युअल फंडमध्ये पण आम्ही SIP ज्या स्टार्ट केल्या ना त्या आपल्या काय ते टॅक्स बेनिफिट लाईक आपल्याला ह्याच्यामध्ये टॅक्स
Yes.
टॅक्स
Tax
सेव्हिंगच्या
saving.
असतात
Tax saving.
SIP त्या
हम्म.
स्मॉल अमाऊंटच्या, कारण तेवढं जे सॅलरी होते त्या सॅलरीच्या सम पर्सेंट आमचं ते पर्सेंटेज मात्र अजूनही फिक्स ठेवलं आहे आम्ही की तेवढंच पर्सेंट आम्ही इन्व्हेस्ट करायचं. त्यामुळे त्या ह्यानी आम्ही इन्व्हेस्ट करत होतो. सो ते पण आम्ही काही वर्ष तोच पॅटर्न फॉलो केला. फक्त त्या SIP थोडा वाढवल्या आणि कसं 3-3 वर्षांचं लॉकिंग असतो. तसं दरवर्षी नवीन नवीन SIP आम्ही
Right,
फक्त
right.
ॲड करत राहिलो त्याच्यामध्ये.
Correct,
त्यामुळे
हां.
आम्हाला तो बेनिफिट फक्त मिळत गेला आणि ॲक्च्युली त्याचा बेनिफिट आत्ता चांगलं आहे.
Correct.
Very true.
दिसतंय छान आत्ता ॲक्च्युली ते. सो तो पॅटर्न फॉलो केला आणि त्याच्यानंतर मात्र लाईक हे पॅटर्न आम्ही एक 7-8 वर्ष कंटिन्यू केलं आणि देन त्याच्यावर मात्र आम्ही हे पॅटर्न सोडलं आणि मग रिस्क ज्या आहेत आपल्या
हम्म.
म्हणजे इक्विटी म्हणतो किंवा आपण बाकीच्या ज्या आहे त्याच्यामध्ये मात्र इन्व्हेस्टमेंट जास्त केल्या मग आम्ही.
करेक्ट. पण आता
Right.
जे स्टार्टिंगला तुम्ही जे ELSS टॅक्स सेव्हिंग फंड्समध्ये जेव्हा तुम्ही टाकले, हे तुम्हाला कोणी सजेस्ट केलेले?
आम्हाला अजयनेच.
अच्छा, स्टार्टिंगला. म्हणजे मला असं वाटलं की तुम्ही तुमच्या पर्यानी पहिले
नाही.
सुरुवात केली.
आम्हाला म्युच्युअल फंडमध्ये आता ज्या काही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आहे ते पूर्ण अजय
एव्हरीथिंग इज फ्रॉम अजय इटसेल्फ. ओके, ओके. आणि और मॅम
वैसे कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स थे लाइक बॉट व्हेन अर्निंग तो चलो आ रहा है तो यूनिट लिंक में किया, इन्वेस्ट किया, एंड देन सडनली मंडे वाज लुकिंग एट माय डीमैट स्टेटमेंट, ये सब पड़े हैं, क्यों इसमें रखे हैं हम लोग ने, पुराने फंड्स हो गए हैं, आर दे रियली अर्निंग मी नाउ लाइक सो देन आई कॉन्टेक्टेड अजय अगेन, सो ही गॉट देम स्विच्ड ओवर, उसको रिडीम किया, देन अगेन स्विच्ड ओवर टू बेटर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करवाए थे उन्होंने वो टाइम पे मैंने काफ़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स ऐसे मुझे रिडीम करके करवाए थे, काफ़ी अच्छा हो गया था. Earlier, like I think Sundaram funds थे कुछ, I can't remember also some of them. And earlier long back, कुछ mutual fund आया, कुछ भी है उठा के चलो. When we are earning, like it becomes easier to that time invest, कि अच्छा पैसा है, चलो डाल दो उसमें करके, इसमें डालो. When you forget and you let the investment be for a very long time,
Actually,
the money really grows.
Yes.
And when you kind of look at it, कि short term में निकालना, that time it doesn't grow. Like you said, you have to forget it.
Yeah.
It happens.
this is called power of compounding, which will give you wealth creation, which has made you somewhere proud.
आता आपण आधी बोललो की 4 वर्ष आम्ही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट म्हणजे सॅलरी मी अर्न केल्यानंतर 4 वर्षांनी ॲक्च्युली म्युच्युअल फंडात इन्व्हेस्टमेंट चालू केल्या होत्या. तोपर्यंत मी ट्रॅडिशनल वेनीच इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करत होती. सो हा एक्सपिरियन्स आम्हाला आला होता की आपलं थोडंसं डिले चालू झालं आहे. सो जेव्हा मुलगी झाली त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही ठरवलं की नाही, तिच्या बाबतीत हे असं नाही होता कामा. सो कसं असतं, तर लहान बाळ झाल्यानंतर त्यांना प्रत्येक आजी आजोबा आणि हे सगळे देतात ना, बर्थडेला गिफ्ट
Birthday.
आणि
हां,
असे
हां,
आता
correct.
आता काय कोणी वस्तू देत नाही, का खेळणी वगैरे तसलं काही देत
नाही
नाही,
देत.
पैसे.
पैसे.
आता अजूनही कॅश देतात पाकिटात, आपल्याकडे इन्व्हलप येतात ना. सो
करेक्ट.
बराबर,
आम्ही-
चॉइस बच्चे का है, क्या लेना है,
सो
बराबर
ते
है.
आम्ही तिचं दरवर्षी वर्षाचं मात्र.
हां,
सो आम्ही ती जी काही कॅश यायची ना, ती आम्ही बँकेत टाकायचो. त्यावेळेला तिचं अकाउंट काढू शकत नव्हतो, ती लहान होती. सो आम्ही हे करायचो आणि तिच्या नावाने आम्ही आपल्या ज्या पोर्टफोलिओमध्ये तिचं आम्ही ॲड केलं होतं आणि फक्त माझं अकाउंट लिंक असं होतं त्याला. आणि त्याच्या थ्रू आम्ही तिच्या SIP स्टार्ट केल्या होत्या.
राईट.
की छोटी अमाऊंट, हरकत नाही. पण ते आणि जशी ती मोठी होत गेली ना, तसे तिला आम्ही दाखवायचो तो पोर्टफोलिओ. येस अन्विता, दिस इज युअर पोर्टफोलिओ आणि तुझं आता एवढे इन्व्हेस्टेड आहेत आणि एवढं त्याचं हे आहे. आमचं बघू नको म्हटलं, तू तुझं आता चेक कर म्हटलं ते. आणि त्याच्यानंतर काय झालं की जशी ती मोठी होत गेली ना, तसे ते तिला जे यायचे ना पैसे बर्थडेचे, त्याची अमाऊंट पण वाढत गेली. सो आजी आबांनी पण तिला जास्त पैसे द्यायला सुरुवात केली. सो तो बिग अमाऊंट होती. तर त्यामुळे ते सगळे तिचे पैसे त्यावेळेपासून इन्व्हेस्टेड आहे. ती आता 20 वर्षाची आहे. तर तिच्या फर्स्ट बर्थडेपासूनचे तिचे सगळे पैसे इन्व्हेस्टेड आहेत, तिचेच तिच्या नावाने सगळे. आणि आता तर ती CA करते. CAच्या आर्टिकलशिपला आहे. ती ऑलरेडी 1.5 वर्ष तिचं आर्टिकलशिप झालेली आहे आणि आता लास्ट 6 मंथ तिचे राहिले. सो तिच्याकडे ते स्वतःचं अर्निंग आहे. आणि फर्स्ट म्हणजे पहिल्या महिन्यापासून तिने सांगितलं, आई तुझं आता अकाउंट काढायचं माझ्या SIPला, आता माझं अकाउंट लिंक करायचं आहे. तर तिचं अकाउंट आता लिंक आहे आणि ते तिचे इन्व्हेस्टेड आहेत आणि ते तिचं सगळं इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करते. म्हणजे मलाही आता अजयला तिच्यासाठी कॉन्टॅक्ट करायला लागत नाही. ती डायरेक्ट कॉन्टॅक्ट करते की मला आता फंड्स आहेत, मला इन्व्हेस्ट करायचे. ते तिच्या म्हणजे अजय थ्रू तिचे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट असतात. स्वतः मॉनिटर करते, स्वतःचा एक्सपेन्स स्वतः करते. आता आमच्यावरती त्या बाबतीत डिपेंड नाही आहे.
So your daughter has attained independence financial at this age itself. That's very nice.
वन
Commendable.
मोर थिंग आय वॉन्ट टू ॲड की आता तिचं कसं आहे की ती या जुलैपर्यंत तिची आर्टिकलशिप आहे. सो जुलैपर्यंत ती अर्निंग असणार आहे. देन तिला ब्रेक होईल, ती स्टडी करणार आणि May 26ला ती अटेम्प्ट देणार आहे CA फायनलचा. सो तो तिचा ॲक्च्युली ब्रेक आहे की त्याच्यात तिला अर्निंग नसणार आहेत ते. सो त्याचं पण तिने प्रोव्हिजन करून ठेवलं आहे की त्याच्यासाठी पण तिने आमच्याकडे काही ती मागणार नाही आहे, कारण त्याच्यानंतर तिला जॉब लागेल ही गॅरंटी आहे. सो त्याच्यानंतर तर तिला आमच्याकडे काही याचं हेच नाही आहे. पण तिने ती प्रोव्हिजन करून ठेवली की नाही, मी तेवढे 10-12 महिने माझं मी मॅनेज करेल, यू डोंट वरी.
Nice. Very good. Commendable.
व्हेरी नाईस.
सो ते तिला आम्ही ॲक्च्युली ते प्रयत्न केला की तिला कसं केलं पाहिजे लवकर. ॲट अर्ली एजला तिने फायनान्शियली इंडिपेंडेंट व्हायलाच हवं आहे. आम्ही आहोत सपोर्टला, तर आम्ही एनी टाईम तिला आहोत.
द बेस्ट वेल्थ क्रिएशन एक्झाम्पल मी म्हणू शकते.
Oh,
Okay, so what about you? Like you also started early investments.
not as early as
Yeah, of
ma'am,
course,
but
that
I have
was,
started doing that for
Yeah.
my niece. So
Yeah,
from the time she was
correct.
born,
Mhm.
Yeah,
one
I
of
know
the
it,
funds
yes.
is with her
Yeah.
on her name. So whenever she wants the money or whenever anything
Correct.
comes up, so I will be giving it to her, because I didn't know then when I was going to get married or what it was. So I
Right.
just started investing in her name, thinking that if माझे पैसे एवढे वाढले तर तिचे तर
तिचे
आता
पण.
लक्षच नाही देणार आपण 18-20
Correct.
वर्ष. सो बघू जेव्हा
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 लागतील
लागतील तेव्हा,
हां.
or maybe if education is not cheap. So by the time she reaches, if she needs some funds for her own self to educate or leave the country and go out and study more, maybe my funds, maybe a little part of it can help her out.
Correct.
So that's what I have done. Matlab, I couldn't do it at an early age, as early
I-
as I wanted to, but I at least can start for her. So that's what I've done.
Okay.
Yeah.
And ma'am, what about?
I really don't know what to say here.
Because you have started early and retired also.
हम्म.
Huh.
So you are the best example for wealth creation, I guess.
Like you said, कि wealth creation के लिए one has to start early and like long term. Like once you invest in the power of compounding really helps a lot. I've seen that. It helps a lot. I remember there were some which were not even transferred in our names. I had the certificates. They were in the half process, like, kind of not yet transferred to our names. So I had to go through a lot of that, like, get names deleted, then again change.
Hmm.
And then I suddenly saw that some old shares had acquired a lot of value, like, So even those I had to pursue with the earlier people to sign off, like, some were kind enough to do it, ki, yes, we have sold it. So you can take it on there. But I met one or two real nasty fellows also who were not willing to do it. And they said, नहीं अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप साइन का कितना पैसा दोगे?
Yeah.
So then I said, forget it, I'm not going to approach this person.
Hmm.
So then I approached the RTA and I said, okay, this is the case. I have the certificates. I have the bills, like, that
Hmm.
we have purchased the shares, but the shares are not in my name. I mean, the endorsement is still not done that way. So then they helped me out. I always felt, financial, you can't just go on trusting anybody blindly.
What was the next biggest challenge and how did you tackle it?
And even my mother had a very long illness and all. So that was a major problem at home sometimes, But things, God willing, we managed.
You've been into the banking industry.
Right.
So you started with FDs and then how gradually you shifted down to mutual funds.
I shifted, but not completely.
Okay.
Even as of today also, I have FDs. I'm still at, my one mind says, although Ajay keeps on telling me, don't keep in FD, taxation ka loss hota hai, ye hota hai, wo hota hai. I agree everything, but one small percentage I do keep in FDs because I cannot, like suddenly abandon my FDs. That's what I feel. I'm being a banker, it's in my blood. Like मेरे DNA में है literally. So, of course, some FDs are definitely there and I feel like anytime I want, I can. That is true of mutual funds also. He tells me every time कि 3 दिन में पैसा मिलेगा. That is no issue, of course. But, of course, much of it is now in mutual funds. A smaller percentage in FDs, but it's still there.
मॅम तुम्ही आता तुमचं जे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट्स जे काही स्टार्ट केले जेव्हा ट्रेडिशनल वेमधून देन यू मेट अजय यू डिड म्युच्युअल फंड्स अँड एव्हरीथिंग सो ह्याच्यामागे गोल्ड बेस असं प्लॅनिंग केलेलं की कसं तुम्ही स्टार्ट केलं त्याच्यासोबत
नाही गोल बेस प्लॅनिंग होतं कारण
Okay.
म्हटलं तसं की मुलगी झाली त्याच्यानंतर प्लॅनिंग स्टार्ट केले सो त्यावेळेला कसं होतं की लाईक आफ्टर हर 12th मे बी ती इंजिनिअरिंगला जाईल असंच वाटलं होतं कारण आम्ही दोघंही त्याच फील्डमधले होतो
हां.
सो आमची थॉट प्रोसेस ती होती की मे बी ती इंजिनिअरिंगलाच जाईल असं तो ट्रेंड होता अँड दॅन आफ्टर ती मे बी तिच्या मास्टर स्टडीसाठी ती बाहेर जाईल लाईक USA म्हणा वॉट एव्हर सो आम्हाला तेव्हा पैसे लागणार हे कन्फर्म माहिती असतो तर त्या दृष्टीने आम्ही प्लॅनिंग केली होती की आम्हाला लाईक तिचं कळतं की यावेळेला ती 12th इंजिनिअरिंग मग आम्हाला कुठल्या वर्षी किती अमाऊंट अप्रॉक्सिमेट लागेल अजय समोर आम्ही ती ठेवली होती अजय आम्हाला ही अमाऊंट लागणार आहे सो
Correct.
त्याप्रमाणेच आम्ही प्लॅनिंग स्टार्ट केले होते पण जसं तिने 10th पास केलं देन शी सेड नो मला नाही इंजिनिअरिंग करायचं आहे मला CA व्हायचं आहे मग आम्ही ॲक्च्युली गोल बेस प्लॅनिंग बंद केलं आणि मग ठीक आहे मग थोडं फ्रीडम
हां.
मिळालं की आता काही
हां.
आपलं टेन्शन नाही कारण आपलं गुड आपल्याकडे कॉर्पस ओके झालाय
रेडी झालं
त्याचप्रमाणे प्लॅन
She saved
होतं
you a lot of bother.
लाईक खूप स्टेबल झालो आम्ही त्यावेळेला की नाही आता ओके जे काय आहे ते आपल्याला मिळणारच आहेत कारण ते ऑलरेडी इन्व्हेस्टेड आहेत
Correct.
ते आता आपल्याला अजून फ्युचर आता जे करू ते असं फ्रीली जास्त फ्रीली केलं आम्ही मग
Correct. Like you said, salary was, हम लोग का भी salary went on. Fine.
Yeah.
It came in. And not many expenses were there. So,
So even you did a goal based
no,
planning for
nothing.
retirement
वैसा नहीं. Nothing specific. But like, build a good corpus. That was the whole idea.
Yeah.
And Ajay helped me with that.
Right.
Like initially it used to be random, like, जो भी सामने आया अच्छा लग रहा है कुछ, okay, something is there in the market, someone thinks कि अच्छा है, word of mouth. And you invest like kind, not through a particular consultant or as such.
Right.
Only one was there. I used to do through him also once in a while, but then with Ajay it became more focused. And वो ज़्यादा होने लगा. Now like I'm happy with whatever services I'm getting there.
And what about you?
No, not goal based. I just want to save. We have no future goals for the 5-10 years. I just want to travel. That's
Correct.
my goal.
Right.
So I will need money for that year on year, which is also happening with every year. We get extra perks from the company. Half of it which I invest,
Yeah.
and half is what I use.
Okay.
So that's
that
about
is
it.
the
yeah.
Okay. So but what when it comes, अगर आया भी कि नहीं मुझे ये गोल करना है 4-5 साल में, so then
हाँ.
how would you go with that?
Well, see, currently, to be honest, I don't need a house. I already have.
Okay.
Right. So I don't need that. For the next 5 to 7 years, we are not looking for family planning.
Okay.
So that is also not a part of it. So I think we are fine. All the more if I would need money would be for our parents if anything comes up.
Right.
So I think for that I do have, I think that should be fine with also the corpus that I have.
Okay.
And my parents have also
Yeah.
they are financially independent. They don't depend on us girls to give them money.
Okay.
So I think it should work fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's not goal. It's just that I want to save. There are no goals.
Right.
Yeah.
But
Because I
then
don't want to run behind something
correct.
and have that thing back of my mind, and then to compromise current day what I want to live in.
But then don't you think if you are not doing this goal-based planning, how will you reach your retirement?
I do know that I need to increase it every now and then,
Correct.
and that's what I have been doing.
Right.
Also, the extra bonuses that I receive is quite substantial from the previous year.
Right.
So that adds up to my long-term one-time investment. And that's how I will increase it, but not to that extent that it will hamper my current day living.
Right. Okay.
So I don't want to do that. Like I keep saving, and I don't know one day what happens, and then
Very
it's
true.
just
Very true.
done. What's the point of me saving it? And
Hey,
for
what's the
whom?
point if you can't
Right.
spend it?
Yeah, and I'm not spending it. So that's how
So that
it's-
is the balance you can say
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you are
yeah.
doing it. Okay.
So I will be increasing it. I have increased for these 2 years, and now I've taken a pause in increase because I'm just figuring out my current
Of course.
expenses right now. But I think in the next 4 to 5 months, I'll ask you again that let's increase. So there will be an increase,
Of course.
but not to that extent that my current in hand, then it's like I'm spending it for my daily expenses, ghar ka expenses, my loan and investment, and then I have peanuts in hand. Then what's the point? Like I have to think once to go to a salon appointment. I don't want to do that.
Right.
So it's slow and substantial. And I think it should be fine. I should be comfortable by the time I think of retiring.
Before marriage, did you and your spouse had the conversation about this money investments or wealth creation or anything?
Very quite early in the relationship, within first 4 months.
Okay.
Yeah, I was very fixed on this is how I am, this is how I would like to live. So let's figure it out now only before complicating things.
Okay.
Since we had a love marriage, so I was very focused. I don't want to waste my time. So if this is how things happen, and this is how you would also follow, because it was nothing bad. It was like creating wealth for ourselves.
Correct.
So lifestyles need to match.
Right.
So if it doesn't match, because it's difficult for someone to step down from lifestyle once post, like if I'm on, like to say on a scale of 1 to 10, if I'm on 7, I can't step down to 5. It's difficult to manage. So 7 and above would be fine, or 7 should also be fine. So that was my important point when I was discussing it with my husband then, that this is how my parents have raised us, and I would like to continue this. Definitely we can grow together,
Correct.
but there can't be a downfall. So
Right.
it was very important, and that's how I discussed like I said, in the first 4 months of our relationship.
So now that is on the
Yeah. So
same
he's-
platform you are
Absolutely.
yeah.
And he's
Okay.
also joined, I
Yeah.
think 1 year after.
after yes,
me.
correct.
Yeah.
मॅम तुमचं कसं आहे? तुम्ही डिस्कशन्स करून इन्व्हेस्टमेंट्स करता की कसं?
हो, स्टील म्हणजे आम्ही पहिल्यापासून डे 1 पासून जेव्हापासून इन्व्हेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट केल्यात, स्टील आत्तापर्यंत दोघं एकत्र डिस्कस केल्याशिवाय कुठलीच इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करत नाही.
And ma'am, you been single,
Yeah.
so how the journey was?
Most of the decisions I take independently.
Mhm.
Like I have a brother,
Right.
and we discuss sometimes. Although he doesn't contribute much, he can't be bothered till I'm around to do things. Simply put, But then I would be more happier if I had something, if I could discuss more with somebody, But then the consultant comes into the picture, so I can ask questions, that way.
So it
And then
is
I have a
always
cousin, huh?
Ajay comes in the picture when you
Yeah,
have
and then
to
I have a
invest,
cousin
yeah.
sister with whom also I discuss, and then we kind of, and one friend also is there. We kind of retired in the same year, so I mean, from same place, same bank. So we also discuss, any kind of investment tip she gets, so she'll pass it on to me. If I get something, I pass it on to her. कि ये अच्छा है करके, and if she gives me a tip, I discuss with Ajay. Then I say, हाँ ये अच्छा है, चलो इसमें invest करो, kind of that way. In fact, I met him also quite accidentally. What happened, after my dad's death, letters used to come addressed to him. So I would normally, call up those people, ki bhi abhi, please delete his name from the mailing list, kind of. And that was how one of Ajay's letters had come.
Acha.
Which investment ka tha. And then he said, I said, you please delete his name. He said, what can I do for you, karke? He came up one day at home and he made me the his
client.
That is how it happened.
Okay.
So
yeah.
well, fine, that also was good.
Gargi, this special question for you, I can say. Now, like you are just newly married, okay? What one advice would you give to this couples right now in this generation which is coming up?
I think most I have heard a lot is the wife does not know how much your husband is earning, which is so strange. You sleep on the same bed and you don't know how much your
That's
partner
pathetic.
is. That has been happening in our
Yes.
parents' generation.
Correct.
And currently in my generation, some of my friends, I am still shocked. I keep forcing them, but they still don't invest. I mean, we are not young now. We are 32. We need to, when would we think? And some of them have their brothers who are handling their accounts. Some of them have their fathers who are handling their accounts. I'm like, if you have the brains to educate yourself, earn, why can't you use a little more and invest? And even if you can't invest, you have people to help.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
I was
Very
a
true.
mess.
Exactly.
I was a mess. I reached up to my friend. He introduced me
Yes.
to you. And that's how things happened. So what I would like to say firstly, both should work. I'm not saying you need to have a corporate
Correct.
excellent job or something. Anything you have a passion, go for. Even if you're earning like 5,000, it's your money
Yes.
at the end of the day. So I think that, and discussing what you guys want to be in the tune of what you guys need in your near future is very important. That's how you'll know how to go forward with your life.
Correct.
So I like, that's the one thing, that transparency in a
Right.
relation of financial relationship with your partner.
हे क्लिअर आहे की डिस्कशन व्हायला हवेत आमचे की कुठले फंड्स आणि काय नॉलेज म्हणून.
Right.
पण बाकी डिसिजन पूर्ण अजयचा असतो की आम्ही कशात इन्व्हेस्ट केलं पाहिजे हे. आणि हे डिस्कशन मुद्दाम करतो की सो दॅट अन्विताला आयडिया यायला हवी की हे डिस्कशन गरजेचे असतात. आईनी एकटीने डिसिजन घेतलाय, फंड्स टाकलेत नाही, बाबांनी केलंय नाही, दोघं एकत्र करतायत आणि हीच मेथड आहे. तिच्यासाठी आम्ही हाच रूल लावलेला आहे की
Okay.
अशाच मेथड असतात आणि ह्याच फॉलो केल्या पाहिजे की जेणेकरून आत्ता तुला ते दिसते ते पिक्चर छान आहे
हां.
की ओव्हर अ पिरियड आता ठीक आहे,
Right.
आता 23 इयर्स झाले मॅरेजला.
हम्म.
सो हा बेनिफिट आहे की
Correct.
जेव्हा तुम्ही डे 1 पासून कुठल्याही गोष्टी, कुठलीही डिसिजन एकत्र घेताय,
हां.
सो त्याचा फायदाच असतो कायम.
Right.
You will learn cooperation is the key, kind of.
Exactly.
Correct.
Exactly.
राईट. आणि आता जसं मार्केट ड्रास्टिकली डाऊन आहे, यू कॅन
हो,
से,
yes.
आणि तुम्ही तो कोविडचा काळ पण बघितलेला आहे, तर त्याच्यावर तुम्ही काय म्हणू शकतात की तुमचे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट्सला किती हे वर खाली झालंय किंवा काय झालंय, त्याच्यावर तुमचं काय म्हणणं आहे?
ॲक्च्युली कोविडच्या वेळेला खूपच ड्रॉप झालं होतं ड्रास्टिकली, कारण
Right.
त्यावेळेला त्यावेळेला इन्व्हेस्टमेंट तशा कमी होत्या.
राईट.
पण एक म्हणतात ना, असं एक हे होतं की नाही ठीक आहे, थोडा पेशन्स ठेवायचा आहे, टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही, काही नाही. कारण दुसरं एक होतं की FDमध्ये इन्व्हेस्टेड होतं, ॲज मॅम सेड की पॅटर्न फॉलो होता की पूर्ण म्युच्युअल फंडावर नाहीच हे करायचं आहे. स्टील FD आम्ही पण FD आमचे आहेत आणि त्याच्यात आहे की त्यामुळे थोडा कॉन्फिडन्स होता की ठीक आहे, काही झालं तरी आपल्याकडे पैसे आहेत. सो ते पेशन्स लेवल ठेवले आणि त्यातनं बाहेर पडलो, सगळेच जण बाहेर पडलो आपण.
Very true.
हां, आणि आत्ता जे मार्केट डाऊन आहे ना, आत्ता ॲक्च्युली आम्हाला टेन्शन नाही आहे किती डाऊन झालं तरी, कारण आता अमाऊंट चांगली आहे.
राईट
पण हे कधी आलं, ओव्हर अ पिरियड आलं आहे.
राईट
सो हा वेळ लागतो कुठल्याही इन्व्हेस्टमेंटला, त्याला ग्रो व्हायला हा एवढा वेळ द्यायला लागतो हे असं वाटतंय. आणि त्याच्यानंतरच आपण एकदम ॲक्च्युली खूप शांततेने त्या ह्याच्याकडे बघतो की किती डाऊन होऊ दे, आपल्याला टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही आता.
कारण तुम्ही तो कोविडचा काळ काढलेला आहे अँड
Right.
यू हॅव कम आउट ऑफ इट. तर तेव्हा ती ग्रोथ पण तुम्ही बघितलीच असेल,
येस.
राईट? आणि गार्गी, तू काय म्हणू शकते?
अ,
तुझं तर तो एक एक्झाम्पल
हो.
वॉज द
हो,
बेस्ट
कोविडचा
एक्झाम्पल आय
तो
कॅन
झाला.
से, राईट?
But current market is not affecting me as such because मी ते लक्षच देत नाहीये पैशांकडे.
ॲक्च्युली लक्षच नाही दिलं
करंटली
पाहिजे.
आपलं
Very true.
एव्हरी मंथ सॅलरी येते, त्याच्यात वी आर मॅनेजिंग
We are
सो
managing,
आय डोंट
correct.
नीड दॅट एक्स्ट्रा फंड राईट नाव.
Hmm.
I will need it whenever.
Whenever.
Yeah,
Correct.
so I am not looking at it because we've gone through such a big crisis like of COVID, and we've
Right.
still come up. We've had our. I've
Correct.
had my own personal thing of the gain.
Right.
So I think this will also work out.
I'm also not letting the current crisis affect me. And what I have what I would say is whatever goes up has to come down. And similarly, whatever goes down has to go up someday.
Right.
So today, if we are down, it'll come up. Just have patience.
So with you and Ajay, so our portfolio is very diversified. So even if
Yes.
one
Yes.
thing falls,
Yes,
something
exactly.
else will go up.
That
So you're
matters.
not at a complete loss.
You are at a
Right.
balance.
You know,
kind of,
ठीक है, loss
हाँ.
होता है, life है, ups and downs will happen. But even if by the most unfortunate people, something goes wrong, one portfolio will go, which will be like just 1 or 2% of your entire net worth.
Correct.
So I think it should be manageable because we have a diversified portfolio.
Okay.
सो टोटल
Right.
पोर्टफोलिओ कधी पण छानच असतो.
कहीं
Market
भी
मध्ये
balance
काही
हो
होऊ दे.
जाता है ना.
Right,
Wherever
right.
sometime it'll
हाँ,
balance out. You know,
exactly.
one
म्हणजे
up and
आता
down
दिसतं ते
doesn't
छान
matter.
असतं, त्यामुळे तसंच आहे की ते नाही काही फरक नाही पडत. ते चेक करायला पाहिजे का नाही चेक केलं पाहिजे.
Like you said,
काहीच-
one goes up, the other comes.
Yeah, exactly.
कुछ तो it'll take care.
करेक्ट. सो व्हॉट डू यू थिंक ऑन फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग, की आपण हा प्लॅन कसा केला पाहिजे?
Well, completely. Like I'm very open about what I want to do, how much I want to earn. In fact, you tell me thoda azun, let's increase a little more, and I push myself. So you and Ajay play a very important role because I was a complete mess in. I had 5 different profiles with 5 different user IDs and accounts,
Oh.
and I had to look into it, and then I'm like,
Very difficult to manage. I
Yeah.
remember.
so I was like, no, this doesn't work. And obviously, I reached out to one of my friend, and then he's like, there is someone who can look after this. And then that's how I got introduced. And then now it's like in one platform. I just need to log
Correct.
into one account and I know everything. So absolutely, you guys are extremely important. And for anything and everything, I just contact you. I ask you about things like, is this good or not? And now an add-on, my mom is also very much
Even
going
she's
to start. She'll also start
Right.
investing with.
I also
so
like your
much.
response time also, whenever we ask something, the response is pretty quick.
Yes,
right?
actually.
Very, very
Hmm.
quick. It
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
and always.
सडन मला कॉल आला, विनीता इन्व्हेस्ट कर.
अच्छा.
हां, पैसे आता मार्केट डाऊन आहे, इन्व्हेस्ट कर. मी इमिजिएटली अजयला कॉल केला, अजय पैसे टाकायचे. ठीक आहे, येतो किंवा सांगतो. म्हटलं नाही, अन्विता कॉन्टॅक्ट करेल, इन्व्हेस्ट
Right.
करायचे आहेत आपल्याला.
Right.
आत्ता ॲक्च्युली आमचं या पद्धतीने होतं,
Okay.
बट अर्लियर थोडीशी मेथड वेगळी होती की ठीक आहे,
हम्म.
थोडं आम्ही दोघं अमाऊंट पण ठरवायचो. आता ॲक्च्युली जी अमाऊंट आहे ती करायची हे डिसाइडेड आहे, सो त्याच्यात जास्त डिस्कशन आम्हाला करायला लागत नाही. पण अर्लियर थोडं डिस्कस करायचो की नाही ही अमाऊंट आहे. मग अजय अगदी व्यवस्थित घरी यायचा, मग आम्ही 2-3 तास डिस्कशन व्हायचे आमचे की
हं.
कुठल्या फंड्समध्ये काय केलं पाहिजे. हां, आणि ते थोडं स्टडी पण मी करायची, कारण नॉलेज कधी पण वाया जात नाही, आवडतं. एनी
हो.
टाईम गेन चांगलं
Correct.
असतं. सो ते स्टडी करून मग त्याला हे करायचं. पण आता ॲक्च्युली ती वेळ येत नाही आहे. अन्विताही स्टडी करते भरपूर, आणि आता अजयवर पूर्ण विश्वास आहे की जे तो टाकणार आहे ते आपलं नीटच आहे. आपण त्याच्यात नाही हे केलं तरी चालेल अशा याने.
I would say really have some focus and some target in mind. If nothing very like big or something great, then at least आप कुछ अच्छा build up करते हो. And when you have a consultant to help you and a reliable consultant to help you, that really makes things great. Then that is what I mean.
So just we can have one small rapid fire round.
Yeah.
So let's go from ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, what is budgeting and planning for you? One word.
Doing my own thing.
बजेटिंग अँड प्लॅनिंग तुम्ही तर खूप चांगलं एक्झाम्पल
Nice.
दिलेलं आहे. ओके
एज्युकेशन, डॉटर्स एज्युकेशन यू कॅन से.
ओके व्हॉट अबाउट यू?
It's a necessity for me to plan and budget my month.
Okay. The next is first investment you ever made.
I don't really recall, but I think maybe some mutual fund only. I think it was.
Okay.
SIP, म्युच्युअल फंड.
Okay.
I think RD.
RD.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had mentioned that.
अच्छा, that way if you say RD, FD and RD तो बहुत पहले किया था.
तो
Okay.
very
Right, हाँ,
well.
right,
First
right.
was
So
IB.
one
Mutual RD.
financial regret.
That I didn't purchase a house of my own.
LIC पॉलिसी.
So what about?
I could, like I said, I could spend more. I use COVID times. I spent little more than required. I could have saved. That was a regret that I feel.
Okay. The best financial habit you have ever developed.
Saving.
Saving. Okay.
To maintain everything, like saving, it is automatically maintained by
Correct.
everything, but expense, yes, जे आपण
Right.
एक्सपेन्स करतोय ते मेंटेन करणं हे माझ्या दृष्टीने थोडी हॅबिट वाटतीये ती, आणि ती चांगली वाटतीये.
Right.
Mm.
What about you?
Saving and providing. Like, even though I'm saving, but I provide a certain set of to my
Okay.
parents. So
Right.
I think
Okay.
that.
A dream financial goal you are working towards.
Presently, not really. Because just now I'm satisfied with what I have,
Okay.
and with whatever life is remaining, it will go on.
Yeah.
Right now, no financial goal. Everything I achieve.
Everything is online, on
Yes,
track, you
yes,
can say.
yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Me retiring when I want to.
Retiring, traveling,
When
you
you
can
want to.
say.
Yeah, when I want to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the last question. One piece of advice for women starting their financial journey.
Like, first of all, you should start to earn.
Right.
And when you earn, also you make your own savings, which I think traditionally women in India have been doing, tucking away money in a
Yeah.
dabba or here, there,
Yes,
somewhere.
yes.
Correct.
They've always been doing, and they are the ones the men turn to. कि भाई, अब crisis है, please get me some money. They'll take out the money from there. So that saving part, and make your own decisions about your own investments.
Okay.
That is very important.
Like every woman should invest their like her money through proper planning. Maybe in mutual fund, maybe FD, maybe in other types of investment, whatever. There
Let
are
your money grow. That
Yes.
is very important.
अँड त्यांना जर काही नॉलेज नसेल किंवा त्यांना काही हेल्प हवं असेल तर कन्सल्टंटची हेल्प घ्यावी, आणि काहीही करून दर मंथली काहीतरी त्यांनी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करावी इन व्हॉट एव्हर वेज.
Right.
For me, working class so definitely should invest and take help from anybody that you feel. But the ones that don't work now, or have the monthly expense from their husband for that, I think she should save from there also and not keep in the dabba, but invest
Yes,
under her name.
invest
Right.
somewhere, right? That is true.
She can
And
create wealth for the
I
family.
would like to add something when she said, "Okay, refer to a consultant." I mean, try to go to a consultant who has been, referred to you or by word of mouth. Only if you know the person or somebody has referred कि भाई हाँ ये reliable है, तो ही उसके पास जाओ.
येस येस येस
Otherwise, just forget it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you'll have to forget your money.
येस येस दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट.
What do you think कि आज के ज़माने में एडवाइज़र ज़रूरी क्यों है? एंड जो रैंडम जो कई प्लेटफॉर्म्स आजकल ऑनलाइन आ रहे हैं, तो उसके बारे में क्या बोलना चाहते?
One thing is that random platforms may not be reliable. Then when you get an advisor, good advisor, so their expertise in the field matters, because you may not have the necessary knowledge, necessary wherewithal to where to invest. But when you get the right advice and then you invest, that helps a lot.
Okay.
That is my take on the issue.
ॲक्च्युली देअर आर मल्टिपल प्लॅटफॉर्म्स अवेलेबल ऑनलाईन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. हां, सो आपण इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करू शकतोच. टेक्निकल आहे पूर्ण मी, सो मला ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्म काहीच नाही, नथिंग, बट ते यूज नाही आहे. मी मल्टिपल प्लॅटफॉर्मचं इन्व्हेस्ट केलं, मला कन्सोलिडेटेड कुठेच मिळत नाही आहे. सो काय मला त्याचं, म्हणजे मी किती मेंटेन करायचो. सो सिम्पल आहे, आपला एक कन्सल्टंट आहे, क्लिअरली सांगितलं आहे की हे हवं आहे, करतो आहे. मला एक सिंगल ह्याच्यावर मला पूर्ण माझा पोर्टफोलिओ क्लिअर करतो. दॅट इज द मेन ॲडव्हान्टेज. आणि रिस्क फॅक्टर कमी येतो ह्याच्यामध्ये, कारण आपण प्लॅटफॉर्मवर डिपेंड, म्हणजे तिथनं रिस्क नाही आहे. जे काय ती रिस्क आहे ती कन्सल्टंटच्या रिलेटेड रिस्क आहे, म्हणजे रिस्क म्हटलं तर ॲक्च्युली. सो माझा प्रेफरन्स तरी आहे की कन्सल्टंट थ्रू गेलेलं एक सेफ म्हणतो ना आपण, सेफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करायची असेल तर ते दिस इज द बेस्ट वे
म्हणजे
ॲक्च्युली.
यू नो समवन अँड यू जस्ट गिव्ह अ कॉल अँड
Yes, yes.
दे आर
Yeah.
अवेलेबल.
Hmm.
राईट. What about
For
you?
me, like I said, I had a messy
Portfolio,
So
correct.
first, I didn't have the time. Second, I didn't have the knowledge. So when you go to an advisor and reading about a certain funds, going back to their profit and loss and understanding the fund takes a lot of time and effort. So it is better to go to someone who has the knowledge and is in that profession, has been working for a longer period of time there. It's better to go to them than doing it on your own, because tomorrow somebody will come and tell me invest in this fund, but have you actually gone and had the detailed check? No. So you're just investing, and what about your money then? So I think going to a, when you know that your goal is to create wealth, so I think advisors can help out in that sense.
I would like to
Okay.
add something here.
Yeah.
I would rather talk to a person than to a bot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this was an very insightful session today. Thank you so much, Dilara ma'am, Vinita ma'am, and Gargi for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so
inviting
much.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much. Yeah.
Welcome.
How can you forget that?
It's not eight.
Yes.
So we are.
Hello all. Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies out there. This is our new video on women empowerment on the occasion of Women's Day. ये हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट्स के एक्सपीरियंसेस थे जो उन्होंने हमारे साथ और आपके साथ शेयर किए, जिससे कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी अपना फाइनेंशियल प्लान करने के लिए. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन थी तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.